In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Obsidian Dataview plugin. By the end, you'll have Dataview installed, you'll add 2 practical queries, and you'll preview the results right inside your notes. Start by opening Obsidian. Once your vault is loaded, look to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. In the left sidebar of the Settings window, select Community Plugins. This is where third-party tools live. Click Browse to open the plugin directory, then use the search bar to type Dataview. When you see Dataview in the results, click Install, then click Enable. After it's enabled, you can close the Settings tab to get back to your notes. If Obsidian prompts you to allow community plugins, confirm to proceed. Head to the note or project area where you want to use Dataview. Think of this note as your dashboard page. We're going to type a couple of Dataview queries directly into it. Dataview queries live inside a fenced code block. To create one, type 3 backticks, the word Dataview, then your query on the next line, and close the block with 3 backticks. First, let's list all your project notes. Inside a Dataview code block, type a simple list query. For example, you can say list from projects if your notes live in a folder called projects. If you organize by tag instead, you could say list from project. Use whichever matches your setup, and the block will generate a live list of matching notes. Next, let's create a table of incomplete tasks from your projects. Create another Dataview code block and use a task query that filters out completed items. A straightforward example is task from projects where completed. If you use a tag, swap the folder reference for something like from Kishar project. This will render all unchecked tasks and their note context so you can see what's pending at a glance. If you already have these queries saved somewhere, go ahead and copy and paste them into your dashboard note. That's often the quickest way to reuse patterns you like. To see your queries in action while you keep editing, click the 3 dots at the top right of the note and choose Split Right. This opens a side-by-side view. Put the left pane in edit mode to tweak your queries and set the right pane to reading mode to see the live Dataview results update instantly. That's it. Install, write your queries, and preview them side by side for a clean dynamic project overview.